In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Gmail by sender. This little known feature can drastically improve how you manage your inbox, especially if you receive a high volume of emails every day. So let's dive right in and simplify your email management process. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail account. It's straightforward, just open your preferred web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Once there, sign in if you haven't already. You'll be greeted by your inbox, a familiar site filled with emails vying for your attention. Now, here's where we start to tidy up. Find an email from the sender whose messages you want to organize. This might be a newsletter you're fond of, correspondence from a particular colleague, or updates from a service you use. Once you've identified an email from the desired sender, right-click on it. This will prompt a small contextual menu to appear, offering you several options. From this menu, select Find Emails From. What this does is instantly filter your inbox to show only emails from that specific sender. It's a quick and effective way to view all correspondence from a particular contact or organization without the need to manually search or scroll through your entire inbox. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but what about the emails that aren't immediately visible in my inbox? No worries, the beauty of this feature is that it searches through all your emails, including those archived or buried under a pile of newer messages. So you're not just seeing what's on the surface, you're getting a comprehensive view of every email sent by that sender across your entire account. This method is particularly useful for various reasons. First, it makes it a breeze to locate all messages from a sender without having to remember specific subject lines or dates. It's also invaluable for decluttering your inbox. Once you've sorted emails by sender, you can easily delete bulk messages you no longer need or archive important ones for later reference. A pro tip for those who often receive emails from the same sender. Consider creating a label for that sender. After you've sorted your emails using the Find Emails From option, you can select all these emails and assign a label to them for even easier access in the future. This way you create a personalized organizational system that makes email management a piece of cake. Remember, while Gmail's search functionality is powerful, using it to sort emails by sender as we've outlined here can save you time and help keep your inbox under control. It's a simple yet effective tool in your email management toolkit. In conclusion, managing a cluttered inbox can feel overwhelming, but features like sorting emails by sender in Gmail can make a significant difference. It's all about making the technology work for you, streamlining the process of finding, organizing, and responding to emails. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll not only tidy up your inbox, but also enhance your overall productivity and email management strategy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice this tip. Once you get the hang of sorting your emails by sender, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Until next time, keep organizing and make your email work for you.